Hello everyone, my name is Reshu Jain, in charge POXO Committee, Olympus High Dehradun. Dear students, last month during the vacation when we had Diwali, we had come with with safety tips during festival times that how you need to be safe and secure. Now we have come up with a new topic, that is health and technology. How we have to be very much active, we have to keep ourselves fit with the use of various apps available to us in our mobile phones. Yes, technology is definitely somewhere affecting our health, but not every time. There are various apps which are helping us out in taking care of our health. So let's start with the various apps which are going to help us to remain fit and healthy. Being fit and fine is everyone's dream, and believe it or not, there is no magic trick to being healthy. We have to maintain a proper routine. We have to follow a routine where we need to be very active and very careful. So, as you all can see that we all are using mobile phones. It has iPhone, we have Android, we have so many mobile phones available. But we should also know that there are various health apps which are helping us and which are totally free of cost available to us to maintain our body fit and fine. Now, this is our first slide. This is Runkeeper GPS system track run walk. You are running, you are walking, whatever you are doing, how much you have run. This app is going to help us out to count that how much track we have covered. You can add this app with your friends, your near ones, to with your dear ones, and also this gives you the voice and feedback also that how much you have run, how much you have done the walking. Here we have a link also available here through which you can download this app in your mobile systems. Our next app is Running, Walking, Jogging Goals. This app's features are: start your workout with Siri, that is start a mile run with goal fitness. Analyze your sports activities and find out how to improve your performance even further. It is also displaying you the monthly summary of your activities and achievements. It will show you the difference between in the weight gain or loss within a month. Okay, so it will also create your own goal profile and gives you the personal training. Again, we have provided a link over here through which you can download the app in your mobile systems. Next we have Calories Counter by GetFit. Now this app is going to tell you how much calories you have burned by doing exercises. It will also tell you that if you are eating any food, how much calories it has, how much you need to take, whether the food is healthy for you or not. It has also recipes in hand to follow, and it is also providing you the delicious healthy recipes which can be adjusted to your diet plan. Next we have Healthy Diet, Best Diet Plan and Calorie Counter. The primary goal of this app is to eat healthy and get fit. It keeps a track of your daily calorie intake, diet plans and steps goal. This app is again the previous one but with more features. It also features healthy food recipes, keto diet and meal planner. But children, I would like to request you, please, for any kind of diet plan if you need to follow, please contact to your doctors, because it is very important to stay healthy and to follow any kind of diet plan with proper medical intake. So we have to be very careful while following any kind of diet plan or yoga or any kind of exercise. We need to do all these things under proper trainer and who is a medical practitioner also. Next, Fitify Yoga, Fitify Yoga app, a app which will tell you how to do yoga starting from various levels. That is for everyone, for every men, women, beginner, pro, everyone. Perfect for working out at home. High definition videos for real trainers who will guide you by various animated videos that how you can do the yoga and how you can remain fit and fine. So we need to be very careful while using yoga, while doing running and anything, because we have to be very careful with various organs also. If you are diabetic, if anyone is diabetic or any kind of heart problem or any other medical issues, then please do not do such exercises without under medical guidance. So the conclusion is, it's a camera, a GPS system and a Twitter updater. And now more and more people are changing their lives by turning their cell phones into the personal health management system with promising results. You just need to click download and start doing in your daily routine. You can kick the fat, you can kick the various health issues by doing various exercises. So please follow all the things with proper care and proper food and healthy. We wish you a very healthy life, very good life. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you so much on behalf of Olympus High.